a $100 rebate voucher for you, redeemable at popular stores like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and many more. Press 1 now to call into...
Thank you for calling the rewards department. Happy Saturday, first and last name.
Is Ned Natarchichi?
How you doing, sir?
Well, not too good, if I'm being honest.
Why is that, sir?
Well, I've had a bad week. Very bad week.
Why, your team lost yesterday?
Say what?
Your team lost yesterday?
No.
Oh, that's the only way I have a bad week.
Well, I've had a week to remember, that's for sure.
You don't want to go into detail?
Oh, if you want me to.
Go ahead.
It's bad. Well, I got 2 jobs. I'm a taxi driver.
Okay.
And I work in a warehouse.
Okay.
And I was working the press. Got my arm stuck in there. Had the other arm in there to get it out. Took both of them off. I lost both my arms.
Okay. And how you talking on the phone right now?
Oh, it's hands-free.
You had a bad week, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then my boss at the warehouse fired me because I couldn't do the job no more.
Okay. So
But-
that means you're going to come up on some money too, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What can I do? Can I sue him?
Yes, you can.
Well, hey. How do I do that?